I actually saw somebody saying कि भी toilet cleaner use करो
Oh.
कि Harpic use करो teeth के लिए.
Yuck! Yuck! I feel there are three things. It's good looks, and good looks.
So there is a trend for dimples, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is your advice on that?
Yeah.
वो बोलते हैं कि ये तो दूध के
के दांत
दांत है,
है।
ये तो गिर जाएंगे.
Right.
तो जितना चॉकलेट खाना है खाने दो, इसको अपनी कसर पूरी करने दो.
Right.
So अभी आजकल हम एक राइज देख रहे हैं for electric toothbrush.
Right.
So would you endorse an electric toothbrush?
Yeah, like how Moshmi Chatterjee would have her two teeth in front, and she was happily flaunting it. And even Alia Bhatt,
Huh?
like, she has this one cute tooth out, which is minor corrections have been done. But it looks nice. Like, you look like her. है ना थोड़ा सा
मतलब she looks like me. मैंने कोई procedure नहीं कराया है.
I like that. I hope every woman has this confidence. So then this whole chakkar will get stopped. Yeah.
Hey guys, if you like such content which is authentic and candid, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Seeds of Soul. Today, we are thrilled to welcome Dr. Marisha Dedia, a talented dentist who is also a skilled cosmetic smile specialist. With Dr. Dedia, we will be covering a myriad of subjects like Hollywood-worthy smiles to the safety procedures behind kids' dental care. So please join me in welcoming Dr. Dedia to Seeds of Soul. Welcome, Dr. Marisha, to Seeds of Soul. Though I must start by saying that I'm petrified of the dentist's office, and it will take a lot for me to get myself into the dentist chair. But I would like to start off this conversation by our current generation's infatuation, craze with Insta-worthy smiles, and your take on this current trend.
Right. So first of all, Pallavi, thanks for having me over here. It's indeed a pleasure. I hope by the end of this conversation, this turns to be a green flag for you to visit the dentist, definitely. Talking about the today's pressure, I would say, on everybody to look amazing and perfect, I feel there are three things. It's good looks, and good looks. Everybody wants to look good. Why? Because we have our phones, our cameras with us 24/7.
Correct.
The moment we even enter a restaurant or a restroom, we'll remove our camera, we'll check our selfie, we'll check everything. And we all have our favorite selfie sides, like, the
Correct.
right or the left. So I think that is where the pressure is building up to have that perfect smile, Instagram worthy, Pinteresty. So, and of course, we have a Hollywood and Bollywood actresses inspiring us every day. So yes, it's coming all from there.
So, I'm sure that this must mean big bucks for you and a ride and a happy ride to the bank. But doesn't it come with side effects too, doctor? Because a lot of clinics have been accused of misleading their patients by not guiding them properly on the required dental procedures and maybe going overboard with it. Does that happen? And can you back that up with any examples?
I'm glad you've got this topic out. Dentistry is flooded right now with corporate markets. Basically, there are investors who are not from the dental background who have invested into this particular field because probably they see growing potential in here. So they have set up a chain of clinics where there are target practices where
Oh.
day in, day out, calls are made to various patients, datas have been leaked out to them, and unnecessary treatments have been advised to them. So it's a very sad state of affairs for us as dentists, as as being from the medical background. We feel it's very unethical, and like I told you, because there is a lot of pressure with the young kids or the adults especially, they will they are tempted to go ahead with such kind of treatments.
Correct.
And it's a sad state of affair.
So there is a trend for dimples, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is your trend? What is your advice on that? And is that a safe procedure to go for?
Yeah, so it is pretty much a safe procedure. Again, it's a personal choice, you know,
Correct.
like I told you, a favorite selfie side they want, and they want that little dimple. But it's a absolutely safe procedure where your cheek muscle is just repositioned to get that little cute dimple. My oral surgeon is very well apt with this procedure, and he vouches for it, and it's absolutely safe. So
Correct.
it's again depending on one's personal choice if they want to go ahead with it.
सो इंडिया जो कि एक डेवलपिंग कंट्री है, वहाँ पे हमें वैसे ही हेल्थ के बारे में कुछ खास पता नहीं है, और या फिर हम एजुकेट हो रहे हैं, बट डेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में तो मेरे ख्याल में और भी कम जानकारी है,
Right.
राइट? तो आपको ऐसे इश्यूज मिलते हैं जहाँ पे शेयर लापरवाही की वजह से काफ़ी डैमेज हो गया हो, एंड उसके वजह से दिस वाज अ केस ऑफ नो रिटर्न, ऐसा कभी आपके साथ हुआ है?
Absolutely. This is a very common scenario in India, unfortunately, where we see young adults, approximately 35, 40-year-old. That is the first time they visit a dental clinic. It is a shock and a surprise. If it's a good surprise when they come out clean, when there is nothing, but when there is lots to do upon, I feel bad. It's a state of pittiness. Ki, why did they do this?
Correct.
Why they weren't aware. Ki, the first dental visit happens on your first birthday. That's exactly when you need to step, or your parents need to take you to a dental clinic to get you oriented. Nothing practically will be done to you then. It's just for you to orient, and also it's a lesson for your parent that they need to learn of as to how to take care of your teeth when you are a small individual, because that's where the awareness will come from, and that's where the awareness is lacking.
Correct, correct.
Yeah.
So in in our society, which is basically where the grandparents also play a very important role in the child's
Absolutely.
upbringing, and much so. But क्या कहते हैं ना कि grandparents अपने प्यार में and in indulgence,
Yeah.
वो बोलते हैं कि ये तो दूध
दूध
के
के दांत
दांत है,
है।
ये तो गिर जाएंगे,
Right.
तो जितना चॉकलेट खाना है खाने दो, इसको अपनी कसर पूरी करने दो।
Right.
तो इन दैट केस आपको ऐसे मिलेंगे कि बच्चों के डेंचर्स जो हैं वो खराब हो गए हैं. डज दैट अफेक्ट देयर टीथ, देयर परमानेंट टीथ लेटर ऑन?
Absolutely, absolutely. There are cases where, at times we have to pull out their teeth because they are in such a sad state.
Okay.
Once you pull out a milk tooth, okay, each particular teeth has a particular function. Once you remove that tooth, there are some cases where we need to give a space maintainer so that the space does not collapse. As in, we maintain the space for the permanent teeth to come out.
Correct.
At times, there are some spaces which we cannot replace. At times, your front teeth, they have to lose it. The child goes through so much, they are teased in school, they are so low on their image. Also, their speech gets affected, their eating pattern is affected. So, there are n number of things. In this particular scenario, I always tell the parents, please get the grandparents. I will talk to them. I will counsel them. Maybe a mind shift, like a change of mindset, might help one family and then to another 10 families.
ओके, सो स्पीकिंग अबाउट स्माइल, जिसके ऊपर आजकल खूब सारा द एंटायर कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी इज ऑल
Right.
अबाउट स्माइल. सो टीथ वाइटनिंग के ऊपर बहुत सारा फॉल्स इन्फॉर्मेशन है.
Absolutely.
एंड बहुत सारे क्लिनिक्स जो हैं इसके ऊपर दे आर पिगी बैग राइडिंग ऑन दिस एंड आर एक्चुअली using very harmful chemicals in the procedure.
Right.
So what is your take on that?
Frankly, bleaching or teeth whitening is not for everyone. Okay?
Is it?
Yes. Like there are 5 people who come to me and they tell me, doctor, I want to get my teeth bleached. First, I need to assess the case. If the patient has some fillings in their front teeth, or they have some crowns, caps, or any other artificial treatment which is done, bleaching is not going to act on such cases.
Okay.
So that itself rules them out from the procedure. Bleaching is done on virgin teeth where they are absolutely pure, where no treatment has been done on them. It's just to get rid of your stains and just to get a little brighter shade. That's it. How we all are blessed with a skin shade, we all are blessed with a teeth shade. right? So once you are not happy with your shade or you feel they're slightly yellowish, we can do a round of bleaching just to give you that little brighter and lighter smile. It's not going to give you that perfect pearly whites. That's a different procedure, different treatment altogether.
Okay.
Yeah, like how Maushmi Chatterjee would have her two teeth in front, and she was happily flaunting it.
मैं ये बोल दूं?
हाँ बोलो ना
हाँ,
बोलो
ठीक है.
ना and even Alia Bhatt,
हाँ.
like she has this one cute tooth out which is minor corrections have been done, but it looks nice. Like you
Okay.
look like her. है ना थोड़ा सा.
मतलब she looks like me. मैंने कोई procedure नहीं कराया है.
I like that. I hope every woman has this confidence, so then this whole chakkar will get stopped. Yeah.
So this is interesting, Dr. Marisha. पहले के टाइम पर ना अगर तो आप पहले के एक्ट्रेसेस को देखेंगे जैसे कि मौसमी चैटर्जी उनके कितने क्यूट से स्माइल थी एंड
Right.
इट वाज एन इम्परफेक्ट स्माइल राइट to now we have actors like Aditi Rao Hayadri who has actually done rhinoplasty, has done smile correction, jaw correction, and it is very evident when you do a comparison. So what is your take on these, and are these procedures safe?
See again, earlier I think it was all about natural beauty.
Ji.
People had accepted themselves the way they look, the way they are, like a few pounds here and there. They were happily flaunting it. But today, unfortunately, 100 grams, we got disqualified from a Olympic gold medal. So it is...
The error is, the margin of error has gone completely.
Yeah.
We are looking for perfection.
There has to be perfection in everything, It has to be your hair, your nose, your eyes, your teeth, your everything. The way you dress, the way you walk. I mean, there's so much of competition with ourselves.
Correct.
Why?
Correct.
So it's okay to accept yourself, but yes, if that is hampering your confidence, or else you belong to a profession which is demanding of something like that, fine, you can go ahead, you can get those little treatments here and
Treatments
there.
done.
And definitely your dentist will tell you or guide you, okay, this particular procedure is safe for you, this is not safe for you. We as dentists, for us, function and aesthetics has to be directly proportional. It cannot be only about looks. If I'm giving you a smile, where you won't be able to talk, like, your pronunciations won't be great, what is the point of having that perfect smile?
True.
Right. So it's always about perfect function with aesthetics. That is what matters.
Yeah.
And I think there is a different take of each individual. Like some are okay, some are absolutely finicky with that one dark white spot they have on their teeth.
Correct.
So there's a very fine line that one has to draw.
So I think there is a fine line between functionality and
Yes.
dealing with OCD, like
Yes,
obsessive compulsive
absolutely,
disorder.
absolutely.
Yeah. So that brings me to the next question that बच्चों के लिए आजकल जो डेंटल प्रोसीजर्स हैं
Right.
लाइक एक इन्फ्लुएंसर हैं उनका नाम है छवि महाजन. उनकी जो बेटी है उनका थोड़े टीथ जो क्रिकेट है.
Right.
Correct.
Right.
And she is a mother and I really look up to her because she's a fitness icon as well.
Right.
So, but her daughter, whenever she presents her daughter on social media, her comment section gets filled up ki, you need to get her teeth fixed. This is very sad affair. How can you target a child like that? I think this is something that, is very, that should be
Unfair.
addressed. And it's unfair, but that brings me to the question कि बच्चों के डेंटल ट्रीटमेंट के लिए सही एज क्या है एंड उसके लिए पेरेंट्स को कब अवेयर होना चाहिए.
Right. So what happens is we can't predict the way a tooth would come in the patient's mouth, right?
Correct.
At times there is something called as interception in dentistry, where because the mother or the parents are getting the children to a clinic and we are constantly monitoring, there are times where at a very early age when they are 6, 7, we can pull out a few teeth so that they are kind of coming in a proper alignment. That again is very selective. Like we need to be aware that okay, this is the pattern that this particular kid is going to have. But ideal age to start their orthodontic treatment or for the correction of the smile, which at that age is recommended, is generally your preteens around 12, 13. That is when an ideal treatment would start. But like again I told you about this interception thing, if we feel the case is going towards a very complex situation, where we have to mold their bones, like the jaw shape, we have to kind of correct them. So that begins as early as 6 years, 7 years. So it totally depends on a particular child's shape, and also the shape and size of their parents' jaws and teeth, because
Okay.
somewhere they're going
Because
to
ये
inherit it.
inherited होता है क्या?
Yeah, so like the child might inherit shape of one parent and the teeth size of other parent. And if the parent has crowded teeth, there is a high possibility the child would inherit that.
Correct.
Commenting on some child is very, very sad
Wrong.
situation.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, this pattern is carried because I think the kids see that their parents doing that. The same pattern is carried by the children in school, and there is a lot of bullying happening with children regarding to the same situation.
Correct.
Yeah. And trust me, kids today's day are supremely aware of what they want. Like, kids will walk into our clinic, they know their teeth are not aligned. They will tell us, doctor, I want Invisalign, I want clear aligners, I want this, I want that. They know it all. Thanks to the awareness, thanks to the ads that run while movies are
Correct.
there. So they are well aware.
Correct. No, I want, I want to also answer कि ये DIY hacks होते
हाँ,
रहते
they
हैं
are horrible.
कि मतलब I don't know, I actually saw somebody saying कि भी toilet cleaner use करो.
Oh, shoot, man.
I
Oh,
did. कि हार्पिक use करो teeth के लिए.
Yuck! Yuck!
सो डॉक्टर मरीशा, हमने इंटरनेट पे बहुत सारे DIY हैक्स देखे हैं, जैसे कि आप हल्दी यूज़ कीजिए, आप चारकोल यूज़ कीजिए टीथ वाइटनिंग करने के लिए.
OMG.
तो इन DIY हैक्स के लिए आपका क्या मैसेज है?
Now tell me, आपके कपड़ों पे हल्दी लगती है?
वो कभी नहीं जाती है.
Exactly. So, I love haldi. It has supremely anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. But you cannot rub it to your teeth. It is going to stain your teeth, abrade your teeth, because it's not a very fine thing. It's an abrasive,
Correct.
right? So it's never going to make your teeth white. It just gives an illusion, क्योंकि आप इतना yellow घिस रहे हो, उसके बाद आप rinse करोगे, तो suddenly your original color, you'll start loving it, appreciating it.
Correct.
And same holds true for charcoal. It is an extremely abrasive substance which is black in color. Again, a contrast to your white teeth. It is going to leave microscopic scratches which you're going to repent later on in life, and then shell thousands of rupees to rectify that. So kindly do not fall into this DIY trap. Okay. It's rubbish.
Okay.
And you will not believe, the more I had seen a reel and I could not, like, मुझे पता नहीं था कि मैं हंसू के रो. So there was this guy, I think North Indian or Paki or what, I don't know. He was selling a substance which were like white pellets, which you need to dissolve in hot water. And it turns to be like a jelly-like substance. And then he tells, आपके दांत मिसिंग है, वहाँ पे लगा दो. Which was transparent. दांत में जाते ही वो dark white हो जाएगा, and it will set in your teeth, and you can eat whatsoever with it. Really? Like, why have we doctors
तो मैं क्या करूँ, जॉब छोड़ दूँ?
why have we doctors spend so much time studying? Like, why? And it was like some peanut 400-500 rupees ka that box. I don't know how many people must have ordered and even tried it in their mouth. But guys, please don't do this. These things do lead to cancers, and they are precancerous things.
Oh my God.
So without reading or testing a product which is not FDA approved, kindly do not use it.
Wow, that is interesting.
I will really share that reel with you. मतलब मैं literally I was shocked, ये क्या रहा है? And can I just say something
Of
else?
course.
Also, another trending reel, which because they know you're a dentist, so these reels will just pop up on your feed. So there is this guy who claims to get rid of your dental pain. You go to him, वो पत्थर पे आपसे खिल्ली ठुकवाता है with a paper of chit of saying कि this is where your pain is and this is how you will get a relief. In return, he gives you a toffee which you're supposed to consume, and उनके वहाँ पे लाइन लगती है.
Oh my God. That is like, wow. Seriously, that happens?
Yeah, so these are the reels that, my friends, my family sits and forwards, when they come across something, कि what is this? And then it's like a sad state of affair कि ये चल क्या रहा है हमारे देश में.
करेक्ट करेक्ट। तो डॉक्टर मरीशा, हमने डेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में बहुत बात कर ली है, बट हमारी डिस्कशन इनकम्प्लीट रहेगी अगर तो हमने गम हेल्थ के बारे में बात नहीं किया, क्योंकि आजकल इतने सारे टूथब्रशेस के ब्रांड्स आ चुके हैं मार्केट में जो कि बोलते हैं कि हाँ ठीक है, हमारा जो ब्रिसल्स है वो बहुत सॉफ्ट है और इस एंगल पर है। तो गम हेल्थ को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए कोई क्या स्टेप्स ले सकता है घर पे?
Right. So, healthy gums are the foundation to your strong oral health. So, your gums have to be in the utmost perfect health or situation whatsoever. Ghar pe, it's very simple. I think in life, any problem has a very simple solution. आप 2 टाइम ब्रश करिए, 1 टाइम फ्लॉस करिए, पानी पीजिए जितना हो सके दिन में. Between meals you start rinsing thoroughly with water, and that is what will keep your gum health absolutely clean. Flossing is such an underrated procedure, like, which one needs to follow. I have started literally convincing, yeah. So I literally I counsel my patients, I ask them to get their floss, or rather I get my floss out and I show it in their mouth, okay, this is how you do it. It is as simple as this. And today, there are tons of products, like you said. Which one to choose, right? See, frankly, you choose any product is okay. It's your technique, your method is that what really matters.
Correct.
You don't need to use hard toothbrush, that is a fact. You use a pretty soft one or a medium one, that works. But there is a correct way to brush. So what again I have started doing, I ask my patients to get their brush in the next sitting, and I ask them to show me the strokes, how they do it. You will be surprised to hear 80% of the patients are doing wrong brushing, because that's how they've been taught, or that's how, it's like a natural reflex.
Okay.
So one, to change their habit, which has been existing for 20 years, 25 years, it's going to take them time. And second is, I really motivate them to floss. That is a game changer for anyone and everyone. Okay. We all need to start flossing once our 2 teeth begin to meet, which happens generally by the age of 12 or 13. So that is the time one needs to start actively flossing. We even recommend flossing for young children, like the parents need to do for them, and that's when the cavities are controlled, even in children.
So, speaking about technique, okay, आजकल तो टेक्नोलॉजी डेंटल हेल्थ में भी आ गई है.
Absolutely.
So अभी आजकल हम एक राइज देख रहे हैं फॉर इलेक्ट्रिक टूथब्रश.
Right.
So would you endorse an electric toothbrush?
I totally support it. What happens is, with manual brushing, right, you don't understand or realize how much of pressure you're putting. In an electronic brush, they are very motorized. You just have to take them all over your teeth. That's about it. They will do the job. So if some patient, I feel, despite of motivating, they're not being able to still attain that optimum health, I would happily ask them to switch to this. And this is recommended for each and everyone. You can happily switch to an electronic brush. It is really, really worth the investment. Only thing you need to remember is you need to change the head of the toothbrush every 3 months, even in an electronic brush.
Okay.
Like how we discard our normal toothbrushes every 3 months, this also needs to be changed.
Okay.
And that's it, right?
Yeah. So हमने गम हेल्थ के बारे में बात कर लिया, हमने टीथ हेल्थ के बारे में बात कर लिया, बट वी हैव सेव्ड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वन फॉर द लास्ट, विच इज़ द टंग हेल्थ.
Right.
इसकी वजह से आई थिंक बैड ब्रेथ का इशू बहुत रहता है. सो उसके बारे में प्लीज़ हमें थोड़ा गाइड कीजिए.
So our ancestors were really intelligent. They have really installed this habit of tongue cleaning, which now the West is really adapting to us. It is a supremely important ritual that one needs to follow, because your tongue is layered with a smear of food at night and at the early morning when you wake up.
सो डॉक्टर मरीशा, अभी हमने बात करा कुछ DIY हैक्स के बारे में जिसके बहुत बुरे साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स थे, बट ऐसे कोई DIY हैक्स हैं जिससे हम अपनी ओरल हेल्थ प्रमोट कर सकते हैं?
Absolutely. Like from Ayurveda, we all know about oil pulling. Our ancestors again used to do it. So it is a very highly recommended hack. You can actually vouch for your virgin coconut oils, and you take a 10 ml, 20 ml, you take it in your mouth, you swish it around your mouth for good, I would say 5 to 8 minutes. The ideal time recommendations are like 10 to 20 minutes. But if your facial muscles are that strong, fine. Otherwise, 5 to 8 minutes, absolutely okay. And just throw it out. You will see tremendous results. And I have seen a lot of good results in my patients as well. So why don't you try Organi's virgin coconut oil for this procedure, and keep smiling and keep shining.
Hey guys, if you like such content which is authentic and candid, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Seeds of Soul.